Hi, I'm Luka Mustafa, and I'm reapplying for the Shuttleworth Foundation Fellowship. Being open is about our everyday lives. Open empowers people to tackle their own problems. I envision a global community of developers creating open hardware products that are then locally produced for solving real problems in local environments. And our daily lives are more and more connected to the cloud, but the internet infrastructure in last mile is not really following. Companies have a very bad commercial incentive to invest in these networks, and thus we are left out. I believe we should, as a community, form our last mile networks and be empowered to build them. I focus on wireless optical system Kuruza that tackles this problem. In the past year, I've taken it from a garage prototype into a stable version that's now suitable for use by developers and hackers around the globe. It is time we start building real networks with it. A new type of community networks where we really take care of the last mile and bring sufficient capacity to everyone's home. Meanwhile, we do this, Wi-Fi devices are being more and more locked down and community innovation is pushed out of the way. However, we have a chance here to set the path straight and open for wireless optical technology since the start of its wide-scale general use. With the superb team formed around me now, I have the full confidence to think and act bigger. We need to make Kuruza as affordable as possible and look into the mass manufacturing of it, while keeping it still an open product. In parallel, we want to explore the distributed manufacturing that will in long term change the world and make open hardware as impactful and available for everyone as possible. Industrialization ought to have made our lives easier, give us more free time, and solve a lot of problems, but we're seeing this is not the case. I strive to be a part of the open hardware change and push things forward for being open in how we build things. In the past months, with the team, we started prototyping good enough CNC machines, which are really aimed at low cost and affordable manufacturing for everyone. We're using commonly available parts to design this open tool set, which we can think of as a compiled tool chain for open hardware to build open products. And by decreasing the entry barrier for anyone to build such a machine, we empower people that they can start manufacturing anywhere in the world and firstly build things they need, but also to grow their business and thus become self-sustainable, and eventually in growing enough to buy professional grade equipment should they even need it.
Good Enough CNC plasma cutter is made from stock steel tubes available anywhere and just a small box of parts we can ship from being ordered online. And with a simple machine like that, we can build anything from tractor parts to Kuruza parts and other bits and pieces required. This large-scale CNC machine is built from stock steel tubing and allows us to manufacture 2 by 3 meter big pieces, allowing us to build anything from furniture to high-volume production of parts needed for Kuruza, for example. We made the 3D printers optimized for high-volume printing to build a lot of parts for Kuruza, such as this one made from modular parts. This latest version enables hacking development, so we're reaching out to hackers, universities, and other partners to start using it and suggesting improvements, while we collect all the measurements in the worldwide Kuruza experiment, forming a large open data set for research of wireless optical networking. In next year, with your support, we would like to find a path to business sustainability of our work and to amplify the meaning of open in daily lives and products we use.